Morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Dear students, today we are going to discuss Module 3 of Model Test Paper for Class 9th. Today we are going to discuss question number 3, that is, read the extract carefully and answer the questions that follows. In fact, I would say mine was a secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. And the this extract is from the chapter My Childhood. So here are 5 questions from this extract, from this paragraph. First is, from where has this chapter My Childhood been taken? And you all know this is taken from APJ Kalam's book Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire. Here is given Wings on Fire. So this is Wings of Fire. Second is, what does Professor Kalam talk about in this book Wings of Fire? His childhood experiences, his parents, his friends, and the answer is D, all. Next is, how much money did Kalam earn after selling seeds? 1 Anna. What kind of a person was Kalam as a child? He was caring, right? Who was Samsuddin? He was Kalam's cousin. Question number 4. Read the extract carefully and answer the questions that follow. Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. Beneath all uniform, a single body breathes. And the first question is, who have created border discriminations and countries according to the poet? And the answer is, tell me students, who have created borders, discrimination and countries according to the poet? And these are created by people themselves, because God has made this beautiful world, and we people have created this discrimination. How do we pollute the earth according to the poet? By using all these means, we are polluting our earth. Next question is, what do we do when we hate others according to the poet? According to the poet, when we hate other, we hate ourselves. Next is, who is the poet of this poem? And the poet is James Kirkup. In what ways are people alike? All are born same, all breathes to live and die in the same way, all wear clothes and all are the option. Here, this question number 5, which is of grammar based question. Here you are getting 10 questions of grammar. These all questions have already been discussed with you. You see this question, see that this question is also discussed with you. Now here is question number 6 of grammar section MCQs. As I told you that grammar section is of 10 marks, and here answers are given for you. She danced for the upcoming tennis tournament, and the answer is, she is training for the upcoming tennis tournament. I dash Afghanistan next year, and the answer is, I am going to. The sun rises in the east. Nitrogen gas is in abundance on the earth. I was watching a TV program when he walked in. So, this is all about today. That's all for today. Thank you very much.